we are going to have ourselves a little bit of time with Sekiro. Not looking forward to this stupid fight with the guy that moves super fucking fast. So ass, dude. So ass. And like invulnerable in the iframes. He fucking has iframes. Son of a bitch. Such a bitch. But yeah, welcome back, Cookie. I'm gonna be doing some Sekiro. I'm, however, really happy that like I don't have to do the dragon again. nor was there further like phases for the dragon. I was like so sure. I was so sure that after that cutscene was over and I went up to stab him in the head, something was gonna pop up afterwards. And it's just like, oh no, you slayed the dragon. I'm like, really? Could have sworn that would have been at least one more thing that I needed to do. I don't know, like I stabbed him in the head, and then like some like grotesque dragon dick comes out, and I have to slice that off. I don't know, like it's Sekiro. Something. Excuse me? Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Yuki. I was like, excuse me? Yes, that was the one that I threw lightning at. That was the one. You know the one. Okay. Still got 10 minutes. Fine, I'll set up first. I'm gonna preemptively remove my trackers though, so that I can give my feet a little bit more rest, so that they're a bit more relaxed. And yes, like Friday night really did my legs in. I did a lot more dancing than I thought. Whoa, my god, Jesus. Oh. I should probably like did this first before I did that. Okay. 10 minutes will be for setting up Sekiro. Yeah, in case it crashes, that's true. Stupid ass Sekiro. Goddamn crashing. Reaction check time. Oh man. Reaction check time is right. So fast, dude. It's so fast. Okay. Let's boot it up first. Oh. And for some reason my tracking reset itself. That's great. We're fine though.